told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Nacon is one of the third-party brand who's making controllers for PlayStation. But how about connecting it on Sony's next-gen console? On this video, I will share with you my experience about this wired Nacon licensed PS4 controller when it's connected to PS5. Welcome back everyone, this is Roland once again, bringing you another video which might interest you, especially if you are a PlayStation fan. For those of you who are new here, I'm doing gadget experiments, custom setups or DIYs, unboxing, and gaming setups. Before we start the test, we're gonna unbox it first. Here's the box looks like, an official license seal here, a blue background saying for PS4, the branding right here, a molded plastic covering the controller itself, and a wired compact controller writing at the bottom. And nothing special at the back aside from this branding and some details in English and in different language translation of it. Let's go ahead and open this up. I purposely choose to go with this wired one because I always wanted to be connected directly and trying to avoid any lag or delay, thinking it's gonna be more effective. Anyway, it's just my own opinion. So here it is. It has a built-in cable and the controller itself is so premium. Unlike any other third-party controller, it doesn't look cheap. It has its own design and has a rubber texture to it. Though it has a little bit smaller than the DS4 and DualSense controller, it got a nice shape and feel to the hand. And nothing else comes from the box aside from this little documentation. Since this is a wired controller, there is no other way to connect it to the PS5 than just plugging it in on any of its USB port. Now let's go ahead and try. As you can see, it doesn't turn on by pressing the PS button unlike the original. So I guess we need to turn it on by pressing the power button of the PS5. Now as you can see, it's working as the original controller. But if we play some games like PS4 games, it works normally. And if we try to play PS5 games or PS5 version of the game, something will pop up which says PS5 games can't be played using the current controller. In some games it's too bad, especially if this controller is your favorite one. But it's not the time to say goodbye to it yet, because there are workarounds still to use it on PS5. It's by using some kind of adapter like the ChronoZen. I'm not using ChronoZen, but I see a lot of videos also about it, which also interests me. So I can say I don't think you'll regret buying this because of its build and functionality for PS4 games or even PS5 games with workarounds. It's a nice looking controller and with a premium quality. How about for those of you who had this controller already? Please share your experience and comment down below. And if you also want to know something about this video, please let me know and I will respond as soon as I can. Very well, thanks a lot for watching, and I will come back again for another video.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a